Hamza bin Tahir, the professor, please come on the stage and receive your shield. Please clap on. Please clap on this one. Please uproar this hall with your claps, please, by audience. This is a prestigious and precious programs for our international summit and beneficial for you. The next is Sir Mr. Asif Iqbal sir. Please come on the stage and receive your once again. Thank you, sir. The next one, our PhD scholar Shehzad Sadar Bhatti Sahab, please come on the stage and receive your. Please clap. Dr. Abdul Majid, the IT specialist of Pakistan, please come on the stage and receive your speech. Please clap this house with your advanced cameras. Thank you, sir. The next one is Waqas Mahmood. Please come on the stage and receive your speech with the hands of the director, sir. Due to the inconvenience, they are not present here. So the next one is Ahmed Amir. Please come on the stage and receive your shield in the hands of Director Sahab. Please clap this house with your. Thank you, Ahmed sir.
अहमद साहब के बारे में मैं ये बताऊंगा कि ये स्टाफ के हार्ड वर्कर पर्सन है और जब इनको मैंने हायर किया था जस्ट 3 डेज में इन्होंने पूरा सेटअप कंट्रोल कर लिया था और आउटस्टैंडिंग चला रहे हैं.
Please clap for this one. The next personality is the Dr. Shafaqat Ali Rahman Sahab. Please come on the stage and receive the shield. Please clap. Thank you, sir. The next personality is the Tahir Abbas Sahab. Please come on the stage and receive your shield. If you are not please receive another person in the place of Dr. Shafaq Hassan Sahab, please. Thank you, sir. The next one is Humayun Khan Sahab. Please come on the stage. The founder of Black Louder. Please come on the stage and receive the shield. Please clap for this one. The one unsung clap for the Net Rider Institution. Thank you, sir. The next personality is Mr. Jalal. Please come on the stage and receive the shield. Mr. Jalal now is receiving his shield in the hands of the director sir. Thank you, sir. And if the Khan Sahab, please come on the stage and receive this shield. Due to inconvenience, they are not present with here. The next person, Kamran Daud Sahab, please come on the stage and receive the shield with the hands of Director Sahab. Please. Clap and applause this house. I would like to call these applause clap. It is a prestigious moment for us and for the Net Rider Institution organization Thank you, sir. Thank you for all. Thank you for all for coming and for the participation to make this each of us. Please, I would like to all of you standing up at your seats because of to perform national anthem, please.